A redirect URL is a URL that an OAuth service uses to send a user back to an application once permission has been granted or denied. It often, but not always, carries the access code you need to complete the OAuth process. Let's look at an example. You have built an application that uses MYOB account right company file data. You'll need permission from a user to access the company file via the MYOB API. So first the user opens your app. Your app directs the user to the MYOB OAuth service. The user logs into OAuth, the user grants permission. OAuth redirects the user back to your application. Your app then completes the OAuth process. So here we have a user with their laptop. They type in the web address of your application. Your application sends back a web page, App of Awesome, and tells the user that it's best to connect to AccountWrite. The user connects to MYOB. This sends them to the OAuth service, allowing them to log in. The OAuth service is a web server and sends back a login page. The user logs in. This data is sent to the OAuth service. The OAuth service returns with a page saying that the App of Awesome is asking permission for this particular company file. The user grants permission and says OK, and that is sent to the OAuth service. The redirect URL is then handed back to the browser to get the user to go back to your application. So in summary, a redirect URL is simply a URL used by the OAuth service to make sure a user is sent back to your application correctly.